So another thing you'll have to be able to do is to, once again, use this idea of equivalent angles or angles in different quadrants and whatnot to be able to solve things like this. So let's say we've got sine of 6 pi over 5. Now that equals sine of 5 pi over 5 plus pi over 5. So I've broken it up into two components, so which ends up being sine of pi plus pi over 5. Now that tells me that it is somewhere out here. If we go out here to pi, that extra pi on 5 is there. So this ends up being the same as sine of pi on 5. However, what do we know about sine in this quadrant? We know that it is negative. So as a result, this here has got to be negative sine of pi on 5. So we're not actually breaking out what sine on pi on 5 is. Instead, what we're doing is we're finding out where that angle is using what we know about quadrants, and then applying our understanding. So we know that we've got a sine. Sine tells us the vertical component of an angle. So if we had sine of pi on 5, we know that would be somewhere out there, and that answer, that amount would be here. But because of symmetry, we've got the same distance, but in the third quadrant it's negative. So we've got to make this angle here negative, or this result here negative.